About a week ago, I had an idea for a little saying, which I was going to post. I think I did post on Twitter, and I was very proud of. I'm new to Twitter, and I was very proud that I was able to fit my thoughts onto the very, very limited amount of space, number of characters, I think 280 characters that Twitter allows per tweet. Anyway, I would like to share that with you right now. I'm going to read it because, as I said, every word is choice, so I want to get it right here. Uh, Perhaps we could begin to help those who cannot yet discern a smile hidden behind a COVID-19 mask by using the OK hand sign. Perhaps we could use the same OK hand sign to replace a hug or a handshake when we meet an old friend or make a new one. So that's it. I did run it past a British cousin of mine over the internet, and her first reaction was, "What is the OK hand sign?" And I wondered, uh-oh. uh, but I sent her a picture, a photo of someone doing the OK gesture, and her response was, "No, you can't use that. That means something completely different in Italy." So I subsequently found that it also meant something completely different in other countries as well. So next to, another hand sign. Next to the OK hand gesture hand sign. But it left me, I still liked my words, and it left me trying to find a replacement for a hand gesture. And what immediately came to mind was the ASL, American Sign Language, word for smile. That is a gesture made with two hands, and I won't attempt to make it, but it's basically with two hands drawing the shape of a smile. And by the way, I really love ASL. Whenever someone is hand speaking while and interpreting someone else who is actually speaking with their mouth, I am watching the person doing the signing and listening to the person doing the actual mouth speaking. Because it's far more interesting, it's far more beautiful to watch the ASL version. So anyway, I mean, that can still be used, but I was looking ideally for a single hand gesture so that you can give it to people when you're out and about with your arms full of groceries or babies or whatever, and you want to show a friend, or as I said, a new friend, that you are smiling, that you are happy to see them. And I thought about it and came up with a possible alternative, single-handed, which is to point with one hand at one's mouth and be smiling at the same time. Now that's not that. That's not what I have in mind, but that. And so that's how I'm going to leave it right now. If you know that there's something bad about that sign and that gesture, let me know. Or if you have a better idea for a gesture suitable for that application, let me know that as well. Thank you.